give a crap. He's still going out and stuff.
We're at Morgan Hill. My sister, my cousin, my auntie, my nephew. There's another one. Nephew.
You're gonna sell your pictures?
Niece, cousin. My brother. No. But yeah, she would have gave me some money if I did. If I had video footage. Here's everybody else. There's my sister. There's Mia Amor. Hi. Elio.
Say hi.
There's Luna and Shane. Look, you barely see this guy. Queasel McGee. Queasel McGee. He's gonna do a little trick for you.
I got Ariel.
Ariel and Bella. And there's Ava and Lil Paul. It's a lot of kids. It's a lot of kids to say the least. And Giselle! Giselle's here too. Ladies and gentlemen, I know it's been a long time since I've vlogged. I'm sorry. I've been away. But James Bailey's back. He's back! He's back! I've got confirmation that I'm back. I can't be stopped. Check out the belly button here. There's nothing you can do about that. What's what Steven used to do?
I can't do it.
Well, wait a minute. Can you do what Steven used to do? Have elastic skin and suck on your own nipple?
Ew, no.
Could do that.
Even if I could, I wouldn't show you. I'm gonna scare Elliot.
Oh! Well, just look at the, check out the pool, all the trees. It's a pretty big, nice pool here. It's very hot. Do we have the degrees? How many degrees out here?
100.
Why are you lying? What's the degrees?
I know. 1,100.
That's, is that scientifically proven?
Yeah.
She said 4,500. We'd be all dead right now.
4,500. Who tells us?
It's 90 degrees right now.
She's all bundled up. Look at her. Looney. Hi. Hi. You act like it's winter out here. You act like it's winter. I know you.
Cheese melted.
Taking a little break.
She likes crackers.
Nia Amor is eating
Yeah, I just
crackers.
had some baby food. Cause she ate like I ate something this morning. She hasn't eaten any food. And she had a bottle on the way here, but that's it.
It's so hot. I get out of the pool and then I'm dry in like 5 minutes. That's how hot it is out here.
That's like, but you know what? It feels better when you got wet and then.
Well, does anybody know what we are having for lunch?
Hot dogs.
Hot dogs?
Some chili. We got hot wings.
Do you like hot links? Do you like spicy?
No.
No?
Mild. I'll eat it, but it gotta be mild.
Did you like spicy back in the day?
Yeah, I think I did.
Oh my God.
My famous word. S-H-I-T.
It's all right. It's all right. I'm moving my channel into PG. I don't know. PG-13. I think you could use the S word. Or what's that? NC-17.
Your mom's gonna call me when we're ready
What's
to
that?
go back to the.
Are you coming back in now?
Yeah, I'll come back in the pool in a little bit. Okay.
Man,
Okay.
he wants to be on your back.
Hey, what's your name?
Little Paul.
Little Paul.
What's your name? Doc Fai Wong, Master of Kung Fu? Master of the Kuei. Look, let me get a close-up of this guy's bulge. Let me see here. Oh wait, his ribs. Oh here, record this.
Make it right. I got my phone on me.
Why did he wake up? It's too late now. It is food time. Hot dog time.
Oh no, me are matching.
Matching towels?
Yeah.
Brats? Who is that? Monsters High? Monster High.
We both sit at the table together.
Do you want anyone?
Hot dog time. And Capri Sun time, apparently.
And there's a water time.
Oh my god. Look at Mia more. Oh my gosh, Mia. What a mess. What a mess. You sure are hungry. You messy girl.
Can I spray it? Look.
When it's margarita time in a can.
I'm about to go.
What a guy. What a guy.
We should have shotgunned this.
Oh my god.
Yeah, get all the white babies.
I reapplied the sunblock. I feel like it was getting off of me, so I had to
Why does your
reapply.
dad have to be so white, guys? I'm sorry.
Oh wow.
What?
They have to have extra sunblock, or else these guys will burn up.
Yeah, they're here, so I think she's coming. They're getting.
When you're in the sun, you always want to make sure you have enough sunblock. Always. You can never be too prepared. Isn't that right, Kwesi?
Look at this fool.
Yes.
Look at your grandson.
Yes.
Except for some reason, I think he's just going to get a sunburn like right here.
Organic mineral sunscreen I've put to try, but it's really, it's the one that, no, it's the one that stays on you.
He's auditioning to be the Joker in
So
Suicide
if I
Squad.
jump in the water, nothing?
No, well, look at my face. It's still white.
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
With all that?
Well, it's not like.
Yeah, it's not as bad, but
All right.
that's the organic mineral.
And everybody ate the watermelon already? It's from San Francisco. Of course they ate it. Okay. Oh, did you get that? Wait a minute.
Can you hold the baby for a second?
You know what they should do, the big kids?
The man who will never be sunburned. Gang! Can you not? I don't want to get shot, please. Oh boy, Mia's going in. I think I need to put more sunblock on my face.
What's her name? Wilson? No, Giselle? Yeah. No, we have Giselle. The regular hot dogs, yeah. No, Giselle didn't have one, so I have to give her one. Oh, no, not Giselle. I gave half of mine.
I got a purple face,
Yeah,
damn
but
it.
did you have your whole one? No, only had half. The other half was Ariel. Oh, and Ariel came in the house and said, Ariel, where's your hot dog? She didn't eat it. She came back here to eat it.
Jimmy.
Oh, wait, hey, I hope you don't mind,
Okay,
but
I'm gonna get in the pool now, Paul. I'm This is how it should be all the time. I have the camera on a selfie stick. I can get the camera as far away from me as possible. Very nice. We are in the cabin now.
Grab some paper and light it from the back burner. And then...
There's Wilson. Wait, there's Wilson. It's very hard to get this thing, to get used to this. But I am finding a way, right, Mother?
Use some paper towels.
Right, Mother? Ava.
Is it working?
For dinner, we are having chicken, rice, corn. Save me a piece of that corn. And
Jim, what time is it right now? The time?
5:25.
Bigly huge time.
It's gonna be huge. Real huge.
Really quickly. Enormously huge.
We're gonna do some s'mores tonight as well. We got that in the itinerary. We got huge jumbo marshmallows.
Yeah. Look at these.
No, they're huge.
Huge. They're gonna be huge. They're gonna be huge.
Amazing. Size of Ava's head.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, actual comparison.
Wow. Well, good Lord, I don't need it that big. But I saw a video online about jumbo marshmallow shots. With the marshmallows, they're made into little shots, and they put Bailey's Irish cream in it. You know I'm all about that Bailey's Irish cream. James Bailey. Enough said.
Okay, I don't want to. You do it.
Angry Orchard. It's about almost. I think it's like 7:30. Huh? I'm not using those. What are you, crazy? I'll get booed off stage. Those aren't the actual jokes. Well,
Jimmy,
I.
you go to Safeway, can you get more of these? And ice cream and then the wood?
Okay, you better write it down because I'll forget.
Alright.
Alright, hey. I just received the horrible news that I might have to go into town and get some firewood because we plan on roasting marshmallows tonight. Roasting marshmallows tonight. Hey, I think the marshmallows you got are too big. Nobody's listening to me. There's a million kids here. You gotta keep your eye on them because you have an incredible need to run out into the road where there's a bunch of cars passing by. Well, not a bunch, but there's cars. Take a look at the campsite. It is a RV/campground place. We got the houses though. We got the little cottages set up, complete with AC and all. When we were little, we really roughed it. We tented it. We, no AC. Just relied on the shade. But as we got a little bit older, we got a little bit more spoiled.
A little bit?
A lot of it. I'll go tented again. I'll tent it again. Why not? Dang, you can't even see anything. Oh, the lens was closed. Alrighty.
Hi guys, follow me on Instagram.
Follow her on Instagram.
Follow me too. SAFXARI. Mine's long, so I'm not even gonna say it, but just find it.
They can't find you.
Watch marshmallows. Hey!
Can you even see anything?
Barely.
Why did you do it?
Well, why am I on the other
It's James Bailey.
That's me. That's me. Subscribe now.